Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact range, chart, or area you want a snapshot. Precision matters because the snapshot captures formatting and cell references. Once selected, consider whether you need a static image or a live linked camera snapshot. Static image is fastest. Make sure to freeze panes or open a new window when layout stability matters, and choose Insert Camera or Copy as Picture for immediate capture. These steps set up a clean, reproducible snapshot. You now create the snapshot itself. Use Insert Camera for a linked, dynamic image that updates with the source, or use Copy as Picture and choose the correct options for a static capture. Once pasted, make sure to correct scaling and aspect ratio. Resizing with the corner handles preserves proportions. If you need higher fidelity, paste into PowerPoint or an image editor, adjust resolution. Then reinsert the final graphic back into your workbook for presentation. Finish by embedding or exporting. Paste snapshots where needed, then use File Export or Print to PDF to create shareable files. If you use the camera tool, you can update or break the link to freeze the image. Make sure formulas and conditional formatting are settled before finalizing. If the snapshot looks wrong, check for hidden rows, applied filters, or an incorrect print area. Once corrected, recapture quickly and replace the image to ensure accuracy and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.